Which Bluetooth page turner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, I'm breaking down 5 top options that will make your life easier on stage or during practice. Product number 1, Donner Wireless Page Turner. The Donner Wireless Bluetooth Page Turner caught my eye with its sleek design and affordability at $59.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it seems like a reliable choice. If you want a budget-friendly way to enjoy hands-free control over your music or reading, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Donner pedal is compatible with multiple platforms, whether it's your iPad, Android tablet, or even PC. It has 5 buttons that let you control everything from music scores to scrolling lyrics. Plus, with a wireless connection range of up to 30 feet and a battery life of over 50 hours, you won't be tethered to your device during performances. People are raving about how freeing it feels to not have to reach for a tablet anymore. Now, some people complained about the pedal not working with certain apps. Here's the thing though, it's essential to check if your app supports external Bluetooth pedals in its settings. For most major music and reading apps, you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you're a musician on a budget or just starting out with digital sheet music. Skip this one if you need advanced features or compatibility with niche software. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if the Donner's app compatibility issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Butterfly Bluetooth Page Turner Pedal. Next up is the Butterfly Bluetooth Page Turner Pedal by PageFlip, priced at $84.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 884 reviews, this pedal really stands out for its silent operation and rugged design. If you want a reliable, hands-free solution for turning pages during live performances, this is a great option. What makes the Butterfly pedal unique is its seamless compatibility with over 100 music apps like Fourscore and OnSong. The silent foot action means you can turn pages without distracting your audience, and its 3 pedal modes let you customize it to fit your performance style. Plus, it runs for about a year on just 2 AA batteries, which is perfect for musicians who travel often. Imagine not having to worry about charging before a gig. However, some users noted that it can be a bit bulky for smaller setups. But honestly, if you're performing regularly, the durability and functionality make it a worthwhile investment. This pedal is perfect for performing musicians or teachers who need quiet page turns. Skip it if you're looking for something compact or if you perform mostly at home. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who perform in low-light settings. Product number 3, Firefly Bluetooth/USB Page Turner Pedal. The Firefly Bluetooth/USB Page Turner Pedal by PageFlip is another strong contender, priced at $99.95. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's designed with illuminated pedals that are perfect for dark venues. If you often find yourself performing in low-light situations, this pedal could be your best friend. One of the standout features is the programmable settings that allow you to customize how the pedals work. Whether you need them for page turns, mouse clicks, or even hotkeys, you can set it up to fit your exact needs. It's compatible with virtually all devices and apps, making it a versatile choice. Plus, the rugged build ensures it can withstand the demands of live performances, which is a huge plus for frequent users. Now, some users mentioned that the setup can be a bit tricky at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the customization options really shine and are worth the initial learning curve. This pedal is perfect for musicians performing in various environments, especially those who need something that works well in the dark. Skip it if you prefer a straightforward, plug-and-play option. For its features, it's a great deal. If the Firefly's learning curve concerned you, the next product simplifies things even further while still offering impressive functionality. Product number 4, AirTurn Duo 500. Next is the AirTurn Duo 500 Silent Bluetooth Pedal, which comes in at $109. While it's on the pricier side, it boasts a 4.5-star rating from 675 reviews. If you prioritize performance and versatility, this might be the pedal for you. The Duo 500 offers an outstanding wireless range of over 200 feet and can run for more than 200 hours on a single charge. That means you can roam freely without worrying about losing connection in a large venue. It's compatible with hundreds of apps, allowing you to turn pages, trigger backing tracks, and even control lighting. The tactile feedback is completely silent, making it ideal for intimate settings. On the downside, it can feel a bit complicated for those who are not tech-savvy. But I'll be real with you. Once you learn how to navigate it, the possibilities are nearly endless. This pedal is perfect for tech-savvy musicians or performers who want to control multiple aspects of their setup. Skip this if you prefer a basic pedal without any frills. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if the advanced features of the Duo 500 seemed overwhelming, the final product on my list provides a more straightforward option. Product number 5, Donner Bluetooth Page Turner, Silver. Finally, we have another option from Donner. Their Bluetooth Page Turner in Silver, also priced at $59.99. With a similar 4.5-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it's a close relative to our first product. If you want a reliable pedal without breaking the bank, this one could be just what you need. Just like its black counterpart, this pedal is designed to work with various platforms and apps. It offers 50+ hours of battery life on a single charge and a wireless range of up to 30 feet. The multiple functions allow you to control music, lyrics, and more, giving you a lot of flexibility while performing or practicing. However, some users found the pedal a bit less responsive compared to other models. But honestly, if you're looking for something affordable and functional, it still gets the job done for most users. This pedal is perfect for casual musicians or anyone looking to try out a Bluetooth page turner without a hefty price tag. Skip it if you need top-tier performance or advanced features. For the price, it provides solid value. So, to recap, we've explored some fantastic options that cater to different needs, from budget-friendly to feature-rich pedals. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, but all of them offer a great solution for turning pages hands-free. Product number 6, Best Pick. In conclusion, whether you're looking for something budget-friendly like the Donner models or a more advanced pedal like the AirTurn Duo 500, there's an option for everyone here. Think about your specific needs, whether it's performance, compatibility, or price, and choose the one that suits you best.